Hello guys, this is Val from Core Conservation. I just wanted to show you two case studies. Two difficult basement waterproofing jobs done in Italy by MGN, the manufacturer of the Roman line plasters. Apologies for the poor quality of the video footage. It has been recorded during an Italian group training session. However, it will give you some idea about the outstanding performance of the Roman line waterproofing materials, what can be achieved with them, and how well they work. Let's get started. Here's the first job, a family crypt. For MGN, the manufacturer of these line plasters, dealing with such waterproofing cases is just another everyday routine job. Liquid water coming through some old, failed cementitious tanking slurry. Here we can see the Rinzafo MGN waterproofing coat just applied. The plaster is in the process of drying. We can see that near ground level it dries slower than higher up. Here's the final condition of the crypt with the second coat applied. Here, 20 to 30 mm of Rinzafo waterproofing coat has been applied in total, followed by a Cacio Pesto second decorative coat, a mix of lime and brick dust, our standard basement solution. The second coat does two things. One, it controls the internal humidity by absorbing and releasing, evening out humidity variations in a basement, keeping internal humidity low. Two, it does not form condensation. Having a high thermal mass or specific heat, it is a warm, breathable material with high condensation tolerance. The two materials work really well in any basement scenario. Here is the second job. A large industrial hall several meters underground. It contains some silos used for the storage of grains. The walls are made of steel reinforced concrete. Water has breached through in several areas, and as you can see, the basement leaks quite badly. So this is the before footage. Before the Roman waterproofing solution has been applied. So what is the solution? The running water is a problem because it washes out the tanking material, which can set under running water or water pressure. To stop the running water, use rapid setting cement on those spots where the liquid water comes in. This is a special type of cement that can harden in minutes. Depending on the type and brand of cement, the hardening time can be as low as 3 to 5 minutes, or 15, 20, 30 minutes, but it's much faster than regular cement. So how do you apply the rapid cement? The easiest way to apply it is to take a pipe and push it into the hole so the water now comes out on the pipe. Mix up some rapid cement, plaster it all around the pipe and wait until it hardens, about 50 minutes or so. Then cut back the pipe at the wall, push a stopper and/or some rapid cement into the pipe, and hold it in place until the cement sets in the pipe. Then, apply some rapid cement on the whole surface over the pipe and let it dry. And now you are ready to proceed with the actual waterproofing. Apply the Rinzafo MGN Roman waterproofing mortar or lime tanking slurry in about 10 mm thickness and let it set. It usually dries and hardens in about a day. For underground areas you will need minimum 20 mm in two coats. For heavy-duty cases, like this one, to be on the safe side you can apply an extra coat. Leveling uneven wall surfaces with the material usually adds some extra thickness. and you should count your 20 mm from here. Based on our experience, 30 mm of material can stop virtually any basement leak, any water ingress, any water infiltration problem, anything. Okay, so here we see the Roman waterproofing Rinzafo coats applied on the wall. It can be recognized from its brown/purple color that is coming from the volcanic sands. Hopefully, this gave you an idea about how amazing, how good these materials are, and give you some confidence in their ability to handle very demanding or persistent basement problems very well. This solution is the only heritage-friendly, listed building-friendly lime waterproofing or lime tanking solution which can be safely applied in any old or listed building, including new builds of course, if you wish. It has been used since 1980 on thousands of heritage projects in Venice and throughout Italy. With this solution and these Roman waterproofing traditional materials, you can create a grade 3 waterproofing protection, being suitable for ventilated habitable residential or commercial areas. This can be achieved on its own as a standalone Type A barrier or tanking protection. Or, if needed, it can be combined with a Type C drain protection, with a cavity membrane and sump pump, creating a two-tier combined waterproofing system satisfying building regulations. And here we can see the silos for the grains. That would be it. If you have any difficult or challenging basements or dampness cases, feel free to reach out to us. We do have the right materials, solutions and expertise to solve these problems in a sympathetic, building-friendly way. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time.